Hey guys, welcome back for another shop spotlight. Today we're talking about Ruffled Roses. This shop was started back in 2014 by Jessica out of Orlando, Florida, and has over 1,700 sales. She is a wedding floral designer and has everything from your bridal bouquet to the groom's boutonniere, as well as everything in between. So if you are about to walk down the aisle or just dreaming big, I hope you'll take a look at her shop. I'll leave a link in the description below where you can find her on Etsy, and I hope you enjoy. Thanks for stopping in. I hope you'll give us a like and subscribe for future handmade shop spotlights.